All right, hello guys. Welcome to our video for this week. And what we're going to talk about are the 5 things that you need to make sure you have on your website if you're a tax or accounting professional. So before we get into the video topic, please make sure you like and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel as it allows our video channel to grow. It inspires me to create more content, and you guys are going to get some free content to help you guys grow and scale and hopefully make a lot more money, right? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get into the topic. I'm gonna go to my trusty iPad and we're gonna get after it, okay? So what we're gonna cover today is we're gonna cover the 5 things your website should have um, set up to help you guys obviously get more business and more clients, okay? So this is very, very important stuff, all right? So the first thing I wanna cover are just some basic pages that you guys should have on your website. I know this stuff might sound simple to people, but it's not simple for a lot of people that I speak to. Okay. So what are the basic pages? You should always have a home page, and a home page will, have a header. It says exactly what you do in a short and concise way. So if you've been following us for a minute, you know that we help people save money on taxes. So what would be a basic headline that you would put on your website? A tax firm that specializes in helping niche save on taxes. Why is this so important? Because you want to, as soon as a person comes to your website, they should know immediately what you do in 2 seconds. Okay? 2 seconds. The human brain loses. You guys have to understand, we're in an economy right now where you have Instagram, TikTok, all these little short form pieces of content. You're on YouTube, you're watching videos that are no more than 10 minutes long. People's attention spans are extremely small. When a customer doesn't know exactly what you do in the first 2 or 3 seconds of going to their website, they immediately shut off, right? Their brain just will naturally shut off, okay? So you need to allow a person to know exactly what you do extremely quickly. We're a tax firm that specializes in helping real estate investors save money on taxes. Boom. So if I'm a real estate investor, I know exactly what you do. Most professionals don't even do this right. You know what they do? We offer audit representation. We offer tax preparation. We offer payroll services. Blah, 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 blah. Nobody cares about that. How are you going to help me? Think about the customer first. Think about the benefits for the customer. If I go to a website like that, then I go to a website that literally says this, I'm like, this sounds like more or less what I'm looking for, right? These are the small things that make differences when you're doing business, okay? Very, very important. So that's the basic homepage. The next thing is you're going to have your services. Make sure you guys create your services page, letting people know exactly what you do. Tax planning, audit representation, bookkeeping services, whatever, IRS, liens, whatever the case may be, whatever you offer, make sure you have your services page, right? Your about page. Tell people who you are and what you're about. Make it personable. Don't create a tax firm that's just, this is JP, blah, blah, blah. This is what we do. Make it personable. People do business with people that they like. If you create a personable business, people will do business with you. But if you hide behind the screen, they don't know who you are. They're going to choose somebody else that they're familiar with. That's how it goes. The next thing is you want to have a call to action for people to book a call. You might have a portal that you're using for people to upload their documentation. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. Then as well, you're going to have a blog. The blog is very important to create content. If you guys have not seen my other video on why you need to create content to sell tax planning, make sure you watch that, because that's literally what the blog is built for, okay? All right, so now I want to go into whatever the basic pages, but really what we need to go over is just a high level understanding of exactly what needs to go on, okay? So when you guys have a website, what is the goal of the website? There is no other goal on that website but to generate leads and generate calls. That's it. I want to take out all the other opinions that you guys might have about, I need to educate them on this and that and do this and do that. No. Your whole entire goal of having a website is to generate leads and to get calls. So the way that you design that website, or if you're hiring a person, is I need this website to generate me leads and generate me calls. So how do you do that? On every single website, you should have a lead magnet. And let me go into what a lead magnet is. What a lead magnet is, literally a lead magnet, right? It generates leads. It's a way, it's where you create a free piece of content. And in exchange, the customers must give you their email and phone number to get it. That's the only way they're going to get that free piece of content. So for instance, we might have a book on 25 ways to help you save money on taxes in 2023. It's a book. It might be 5 pages long. It's going to be on your website. You might have a pop-up where it comes up, or you might have a little bar on the top, right? So let's say you have a website, right? This is your website. Boom, this is the top page. You might have a pop-up that comes up with a little email tab right here, right? And it has a little description of exactly what you do, right? Or you might have a little bar up here that has a button and a description of exactly what it is right there, right? Okay, these are very, very important. All right. So you're going to create a free piece of content. Your free piece of content, like I said, might just be an ebook. It might just be a white paper, whatever the case may be. It's something free that you're going to give to somebody for in exchange for their email and phone number. We have on our website a lead magnet that gives away tax tips. That lead magnet must generate anywhere between 500 to 1,000 leads every single week with phone numbers and information where our sales team and our professionals can literally call them, qualify them, and if they're a person that we could possibly do business with, we end up closing them. But if we didn't have that lead magnet on the website, we would never know. People just come to the website, get free information, and bounce, right? That's not what a website is built for. A website is built for, let's repeat it, right? To get leads, which is what we just talked about, and to get calls, period. Nothing else. And then once you understand that, you're going to think about, okay, does this get me leads and get me calls? And if it doesn't, I'm wasting my time. I don't like wasting my time. I know you guys don't like wasting your time, right? So that's what a lead magnet is. And every single website needs to have a lead magnet. The second thing is get calls. Your website should be built to get calls. So you should have a call to action on the website that literally says book a call, book a call. Like I talked about, right? At the end of every single blog, you should have a section, a calendar where people can book a call, right? They can have a calendar like Calendly or whatever the case may be, where people can literally book a time on your calendar, right? And they could book a call. You should have multiple sections within your website where people are able to book a call. And if you guys use Calendly, Acuity scheduling, whatever the case may be, everybody has one of those online calendar softwares, right? We all have them. You should embed that on your website in multiple places. So now you set your website up for what? To get leads. Maybe a person doesn't want to book a call right now. That's okay. We're going to get the lead and we're going to call them. Or basically they can book a call on their own and they're going to instantly get on your schedule and you can qualify them, right? That's what a website is built to do. So now think about all these elements, right? You have a simple website where you're calling out exactly who your customer is and what you offer in a simple way. Simple, right? Remember I told you about we help real estate investors save money on taxes, right? You communicate your value extremely simply where a person can easily understand what you do. You give them a reason to give you their information for free in exchange for a valuable book. If they take that book, two things are going to happen. They're going to take it, they're going to get educated, and now they're going to trust you even more and call you, or you're going to give them a call, qualify them, and if they make sense for you, you're going to sell them what you have to offer. The third thing now, they're going to book a call on your website because you've made your website so simple, they know exactly what to do. People want to work with people that they understand and who can solve their problems very simply, right? Now they're going to be like, you know what? I've gone to all these websites, all these other websites say we offer audit representation. We do, tax preparation, this and that. None of them have actually called out and said, hey, I help people save money on taxes for exactly who I'm looking for. That's simple. People don't understand how simple it is. And they're going to book a call because they haven't seen a website so simple. So these are the core elements that you want to take and utilize when you're looking to create a website. Obviously, there's a framework with the website, right? Obviously, there's a way that you're going to need to set up the website, all this type of stuff, right? Very, very important, okay? So, but these are the core elements when you're thinking about building a website, or if you have a website yourself, make sure you keep these type of things close so you know exactly what you're doing, all right? All right, perfect, guys. Again, my name is Kenneth Dennis. And if you guys are looking for an easy and simple way to build a website and you guys want to process, we actually have a pre-made website that we built as part of our program and everything like that. Make sure you guys book a call. We'll walk you through exactly what it looks like, how you can implement this, and how you can start generating, 20 to 30 leads just from having a simple website set up the right way. How many of your guys' competitors don't even have a website set up the right way? It's these little things that you do that will put you in a position to compete at a higher level. And that's where you want to play the game at. Okay. So make sure you guys book a call. We'll gladly have that phone call with you guys. We'll get you set up and we'll have you generating some more cash flow. Okay. All right. You guys have a good one.